Did you wish at the start of this year that you want to earn more money? If so, then your wish has been granted. In today's video, I have just got what you asked for. I am going to talk about top 3 passive income ideas that can generate more money for you in 2022. Doesn't that sound exciting? If yes, then do watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I am going to share a pro tip with you and you don't want to miss it. So, what is passive income? As the name suggests, passive income is the money that flows in regular intervals to you without the need of putting in considerable amount of active effort to create it. This means you will put in some of your time to create it and then it yields you money for a lifetime, unless the demand for it goes down. Now, the question is, which are the passive income products you can create if you are a professional, a coach, or a service-based entrepreneur? So, the first thing you can create is an online course. The problem with offline businesses is that they can only reach a significant amount of people, which declines your ability to sell your offline course to a large audience all over India. Let's be practical. Even if you are teaching something valuable, no one is going to fly all the way from different parts of the country just to attend few of your sessions, right? Unless you have attained a lot of fame like Ranveer Alabadia or so. If you are in the starting stage, then I would highly recommend you to opt for launching an online course. Here you can provide your clients a transformation that will take them from point A to point B. Let me make this clear to you. People do not just pay for the amount of knowledge and expertise that you hold, but the transformation you can provide them with. You might be as knowledgeable, but if you are unable to provide a transformation to your clients, then your online course will not be worth their time and money. So, if you can give them that, your course will be a success. For example, I am a business coach and I help aspiring coaches and service-based entrepreneurs start their online coaching businesses from scratch. Now, that's a transformation. Because even if you are a beginner, I'll help you to ideate and launch your online course by teaching you all the necessary strategies which I have used being a manifestation coach for almost 1 year now. You can price your online course from a range of about 5,000 to 10,000 or more, depending upon the value, support and the transformation you are willing to provide them. The next thing which you can launch is an ebook. We know that a lot of people now find it comfortable to hold digital copies of books with them rather than the physical ones. If you have something valuable to share with the world, then you can now package it in the form of an online ebook and sell it to your target audience. You can draft your information in a Word document, use Grammarly to discard any grammatical errors, and later use a free app called Canva to design your ebook. You can price it depending upon the value you have provided inside, from a range of about 500 rupees to 1500. This can act as a small ticket product for you to acquire customers, and later you can upsell them with your big ticket or high ticket offer. A person who buys from you once is more likely to buy from you repeatedly, provided you have delivered more than what you have promised inside. Ebooks are easy to create and don't require much time and hassle from your side as compared to an online course. You have to prepare it once and then keep selling it through your social media handles or from your website if you have any. I use Instagram as a platform to sell my digital products. The next thing which you can create is a recorded webinar on a topic that interests you and your target audience. You can create a recorded webinar providing in detail information about a particular topic. For example, if you are knowledgeable about how to convert your leads into clients using Instagram, you can create a detailed webinar explaining the strategies or techniques that have worked for you. This might help people to drive more sales to their products or services using Instagram through your strategies. You can simplify the process for them, as in if they are confused about how they can get their leads to buy from them using Instagram, you can introduce them to the KLT factor, which means know, like and trust factor. It means that people only buy from those who they know, like, and trust. To let them know you, show them who you are as a person, what you stand for, what are your beliefs. Show them the real person that you are, the raw, unfiltered version of you, where you are the same person on camera and off camera as well. When you do this, people will start knowing you better. Once you do that, you can give them informative content which helps them grow. You can share your struggles, tell them stories about how you overcame a particular problem and how they can do. This will make them like you. And finally, for them to trust in your product or service, you can share the client testimonials which brought results to them after implementing the strategies being taught by you in your webinar. Share with them your insights on growing their businesses and connect with them on a personal front. So this example was to show you that you can pick up a topic and provide in-depth information to them which will bring them results. Here is a word of caution. Don't just pick any random topics you find on the internet, rather stick to something that you have personally implemented in your life. You can price this from a range of about 1,500 to 2,500 depending upon the value and support you promise them. Here is a pro tip for you if you have stayed till the end of this video. You can start with a mid-ticket or a low-ticket product at the beginning of your journey. For example, an ebook or a webinar which is priced lower and later can launch your high-ticket product such as a digital course and upsell your already existing clients who will act as repeated buyers for you. I hope this video was useful for you. Do like this video and share it with your friends who want to start their journey into the online business world. Comment down below and let me know which of these passive income products you would want to create in 2022. With lots of love, signing off. See you in the next video.